What up guys, it's Nicole and today I am doing the Mad Hatter tutorial, my little take on it. It's pretty close to it, but I think I've just like slightly changed it. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, if you want to see this tutorial, please just keep on watching. My eyebrows are done from earlier today, than before I went out. So the reason I'm not going over them or trying to fix them up is because I've got to go in with orange eyeshadow. And my orange eyeshadows aren't that pigmented, so that's why. Anyway, with orange, I'm using the Festival palette by BYS, going in with that orange shade. I'm sorry if you can hear my fan, but honestly, today is so hot. I'm not filming without a fan. Like, 10 out of 10 sorry, but you might just have to deal. Priming my lids with the Shape Tape. I'm just going to quickly set that. I'm just going to quickly set that with a Nude by Nature powder. Now, with the Mad Hatter, I've seen a few different photos when I looked it up because I was looking at Mad Hatter makeup just to double check the colours. I've seen a dark blue and a light blue. I've seen a blue and a pink or a purple, like blue. Yeah, it was like blue and a pink or a purple on this side. So, I already filmed this once before and I did the two blues, but I just felt like it didn't really stand out as well and wasn't the... just didn't give me Mad Hatter vibes, if that makes sense. So I'm refilming it and I'm going to do pink or purple, maybe a bit of both on this side and the blue on this side. Blue side, I'm using Bandersnatch from the Alice in Wonderland and Urban Decay palette, this one here. And I'm just going to swipe that through my crease. Tell if on the pictures there was actually anything on the lid, so I'm just gonna go in the tiniest little bit with Metamorphosis, sorry, just a tiny little bit on the lid, just so it doesn't look so weird, if that makes sense. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast and I roll up. Yeah, I want to. Used to pay to my life, standing away. I'm gonna go in with the 35S Morphe palette and go in, get this pink shade and put that one through my crease. Playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages and I've no more patience. So I'm gonna darken it up with that bright pink and that purple. Won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Now I'm gonna go in with this pink shade called Cake on the lid. Of the face, I'll probably just speed all this up, but I'll let you know the products that I'm using. A Brighter Days moisturizer first. As per usual, I'm going in with the Kat Von D. Foundation, my base, like the moisturizer, or if it's my sponge, but it's not looking nice. I'm going to try and go in with a brush instead. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. What can I do You think I'll be longer, you're making me strong. I'm just gonna set my face with a nude by nature. Making me stronger. Stay a little longer. Now I'm gonna run this orange called Paradox just on my lash line. You're making me stronger, making me strong. I love how the orange pops on this side more because of the blue. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo pencil just because I couldn't find white mascara when I was looking for it, so I thought next best thing is eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with Exposed and just highlight my brow bone. I love the smell of this. In the picture, the blush is very, very strong, so I'm going to try and make it as pigmented and as strong as possible for it to stand out on camera. I don't know why I'm speaking with my hands so much, I'm just doing this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the NYX palette, and I'm going to go in with that one first, and then I'll go in with that one. I feel like it grabs onto my skin just there. I don't know if it's because there's like extra texture there or something, but it tends to just grab in that one spot and it's so annoying. Now I'm going to go in with that brighter pink one just to like make it even more. I'm just going to clean up the bottom just so it's sharp, like the picture. Like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pit in my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me strong. Just like lightly did my nose with the pink. My lips, I'm just gonna go in with Lolita too. Making me strong. This is Lolita too, so I'm just gonna go over it because this one's more the color I wanted. Making me strong. Making me strong. Even if the Mad Hat is not highlighted, I'm highlighting. I think that's it, guys. This is a completed look for the Mad Hatter. Please excuse any texture that you see on my skin. But if you like this video, if you like the little tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world. And I'll see you next time.